In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the drill bit chuck on a Makita drill. Sometimes you might come across an old drill and notice that the chuck seems to be stuck wide open. So this is often because the drill bit's been wound out to its maximum extent, and if a drill hasn't been used for a while, you can often get stuck in this position. So I'm going to show it you from my point of view, so you can do exactly the same with your cordless drill. You want to hold the drill firmly with one hand, and you want to make sure that this button here is pushed forwards so that the drill is in forwards gear. So you're going to hold the end of the chuck with your left hand, you're going to hold the body of the drill with your right hand, and you're just going to blip the trigger, and that should spring the chuck loose. As you can see, the chuck's now locked itself tight from its unlocked position. So I'll just show you that again. So our chuck is wide open. We want to flick this button here forwards towards ourselves, hold our chuck with one hand, and then tighten it up. And you can see our chuck now performing as it should. So that's a quick little tip on how to get your chuck loose on a Makita cordless combi drill.